Hello guys, my name is Pradeep Ramesh Gaikwad. Today's date 31 July 2024. Today's my topic noise pollution. We are discuss about noise pollution. Noise pollution is a invisible danger. It invisible danger it cannot be noticed both on land and under the sea noise. Noise pollution is considered to be any unwanted or distributing sound that affect the health and well-being of humans and other organisms. Sound is major, it disables. There are many sounds in the environment. From rustling leaves 20 to 30 decibels to a thumb clip 120 decibels to the weight for a says 180 to 140 decibels. Sound that reach 85 decibels or higher can harm a person's ear. Sound sources that exceed this threshold include familiar things such as power, lawn, mowers, subway train 90 to 115 decibels, and a loud rock concert 110 to 120 decibels. Noise pollution impacts millions of people on a daily basis. The most common health problem it is cases in noise include hearing loss NIH. Exposure to loud noise can also causes high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbance, and stress. This health problem can affect all age group, especially children. Many children who live near noise, airport or streets have been found to suffer from stress and other problems such as impairments in memory attention level and reading skill. Noise pollution also impacts the health and well-being of wildlife. Studies have shown that loud noise can cause caterpillars, dorsal vessels, the insect equivalent of heart, uh, to beat faster and cases. Bluebirds to have favor chicks. Animal use sound for a variety of reasons, including to negative find food, attract mates, and avoid predators. Noise pollution makes it difficult for them to accomplish this task, which affects their ability to survive. Increasing noise is not only affecting animals on land, it is also a growing problem for those that live in the ocean. Ships, oil drills, sonar device, and seismic tests have made the once tranquil marine environment loud and chaotic. Fields and dolphin are particular impact by noise pollution. This marine mammals ready in collation to communicate negative field and find mates, and excess noise interface with their ability to effectively equate. Some of the loudest underwater noise comes from naval sonar devices sound. Like inhalation works by sending pulses of sound down into the depth of the ocean to bound of an object and return an echo to the ship which indicates a location. For object, sonar sounds can be as loud as 235 decibels and travel hundreds of miles underwater, interfering with whales' ability to use echolocations. Research has shown that sonar can causes mass stranding of whale of benches and, and alter the feeding behavior of integrate blue whales. Integrate blue whales and environmental groups are in the US Navy to the stop or reduce using sonar or military and military training. Seismic survive also produce loud blast to sound within the ocean ship looking for a deep sea oil or gas deposited tow devices called air guns and shoot pulses or shoot down to the ocean floor. The sound blasts can damage the ears or manage animals serious injuries. Scientists believe this noise may also be contributing to the altered behavior of whales. Among those researching the effects of noise pollution is mechanical under the bioacoustics researcher in Spain who is recording ocean sounds using instrument called hydroponics. His project